para kay Andre. What do you think is? Sino ba yung special guest natin na nakatira sa Jollitown? Si Makbo ba? Pagkala yung Makbo. Okay, so at this time, ladies and gentlemen, especially the kids, wear your party hats muna, okay? So lahat ng kids daw to, isusuot na kanilang mga party hats, okay? I will count from 5 to 1. Ready? Get set, go! 5! Okay? So I have one question for all of you. So nabati niyo ba si Andre ng happy birthday? Hindi ba? So meron hindi ko mo nakakabati ng happy birthday para sa happy birthday boy na si Andre. So at this time, ladies and gentlemen, we're also gathered here for the very special day with Andre. So ngayon po, babatiin po natin siya, dadalhin po natin sa pagbati natin para kay Andre. Okay? So at this time, ladies and gentlemen, kaya po tayo ng happy birthday para sa kanya. Okay? Okay, then tayo, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's hold up our hand and let us sing a happy birthday song for Andre. Okay, guys, let us hold up our hand. Okay, tayo po lahat. Let us sing. Okay, so at this time, syempre, hindi makakompleto ang celebration ng first birthday ni Andre dito sa Jollitown hanggang hindi tayo lalaro, especially sa mga kids natin. Okay, kids?